All right, we made it to the gym. You guys may have heard the rattle, or maybe you watched the last video where I talked about the rattle that was on the bike. I don't know what it was. I thought it was coming from the primary because I was hearing it on the left side of the bike, but it turns out it's actually just the main chain. I thought it was the chain inside the primary. It's actually the chain on the side. So thankfully it's an easy fix. I'm just gonna have to pull that rear wheel back and tighten up the chain, but she still rides. So we're gonna start today's chest day with flat bench. Flat bench is not the most ideal thing you can do for your chest, aesthetics wise. I think it's honestly sometimes a waste of time. I see a lot of younger guys waste time on flat bench when they should be growing their upper chest, but it's still a fun lift. We're young dudes, we have the ability to throw weight around, so why not? Or maybe you're not a young dude, but if you're a healthy guy, why not throw some weight around if you can? So doing flat bench, doing squats, deadlifts, if you can do them, do them. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do 3 sets probably of like 5 reps, maybe 1 or 2 sets of 3 to 2 reps, just kind of work down. I don't wanna do 1 rep max, but just kind of see what I can push. And then after that, we'll do different kinds of flies, incline press, and that's really it. We're just gonna keep working up until we can find a weight that feels heavy enough for 5. All right, so 315 on the bar. I think this is gonna feel good for like 3. I was gonna do, what did I say, 3 sets of 5 and then a couple sets of 2 to 3. But I did that last set to 8 with 275. So I think 315 for 3 for a couple of sets will feel good. Who knows, I might not even get that, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, that's good. Hey, can I get a spot? Yeah, I got it. Thank you, man. Do like 3.
3, all right.
Yes, sir.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
Come on.
You got it.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
There you go.
All right, to wrap up the bench, we're gonna do a little 225 burnout. I need to focus more on kind of coming more towards my chest. I keep going more like down towards my stomach. I need to not tuck those elbows so much. Incline now. 225 should be pretty warm, so we'll do this for probably 3 sets and Move on to fly. Oh, yeah, we gotta go lighter. Ah. Only negative of doing those flat bench first is now the movement that I think is the most effective is worn out, but it's all right. Still had fun. Two more. Come on. All right, we're gonna go do flies and dips, weighted dips. All right, someone's on the fly machine. So we're just gonna do incline flies with some dumbbells. Oh, oh my gosh. Wow. Two older guys over here mocking me because I was, going hard in the gym. They were like fake running and screaming after I went. If you're an older dude, you're gonna mock someone younger who's trying to work out hard and, make a difference. Shame on you, man. But it's okay. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Too heavy. Holy cow. I'm fatigued. Oh man. All right, I guess we're going no weight. I'll start doing those earlier. Ooh. All right, chest day is officially over. I'm gonna keep this zoomed out so I can bring it in post-op if I need to. I zoom all the way in and then I look at it when I'm editing and my head's cut off or something. But feeling really good. Now while lower chest isn't like a crazy priority for me, I should probably start doing some of those dips towards the beginning just because by the time I got around to do them, I was too fried. Chest was way too fried. But we got all of our upper chest movements in, which is good. Very hot. Man, I'm like red. But semi-lean, eating around 2,600 calories a day. Then very lenient on the weekends, eating probably around 35 to 4,000. And I've just been kind of maintaining / slightly gaining here and there. And then once winter rolls around, we're gonna start really diving into a consistent surplus. But right now we're just kind of dieting during the week because we're busy. Better off not eating a lot of food and then enjoying the fall activities of the fall food. But I'm happy with the fullness / not too fat. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys are Christian men, I'm sure most of you guys are, and you want to be coached by myself, or you're interested in it, you just want to hear what it's all about, you can click the link down below, apply, and then you and I can get on a call and possibly discuss bringing you on to the program. One thing I pray about though is that I don't take on too many clients. I don't want to take on more people than I can handle because that'd be doing people a disservice. Just know we're pretty selective with guys that we take on, not because we don't want everyone, but because we don't want to take on too much volume. So link to that stuff is down below. Like I said, check it out. Links to everything else, Withdraw Outdoors, my Christian outdoor company, is down below. Also got some new stuff dropping with them. And First Phorm link, it's my supplement sponsor. But go ahead and check those out if you want to check those out. Remember to love God, lift weights. Go ahead and check out that video. Maybe when you're done, check out that video and whoosh. Maybe go look at the YouTube channel and subscribe. I think like 43% of you guys are subscribed. So if you want to, subscribe. Love you.